Hello guys, hello from Misha. We are in the Kyiv region. It's Sunday and Sunday started very loud and everywhere in Ukraine. So I plan to like sleep well and go with my mom and grandmother to the KFC, which is like you can see behind me. It's like amazing weather and so on, but because of Russia I was wake up today at 6:30. Okay, it's not very early, but still I was just jumped and shaked from the loud explosion, and I just decided to take my camera and record the noise of the cars near my window. And I recorded another huge explosion. I was like, okay, I have to stop and check the news. So I opened the news. It was different rockets coming to Kyiv and all other places like Kinzels, ballistics, mixed with drones. And I just understand it will be like very loud, and it was. I spoke with my grandma, with my mom, so everywhere was loud, and the rockets also went to the west part, to the Carpathians, Lviv, Ivano-Frankivsk, and so on. Also because of the loud explosions in Pechersky district, it was two injured ladies. Thankfully, there are no dead in Kyiv, just two injured women, and because of the shrapnel, they hit the roof of fifth-story building, and in Mykolaiv, unfortunately, there are two dead. Also, I don't know, I just have the list of explosions and list of target in Kryvyi Rih. They aim electricity grid. In Rivne, Odessa was without electricity today and without water. Odessa region, that is what I checked. And then immediately I see the news that because of the situation, we have electricity shortages in Kyiv region, Kyiv and Donetsk region, Odessa region, and I understand that Russia target today, especially electricity grid, and our repair guys started working immediately. So, but later during the day, the schedules were cancelled. We will see what's happened the next days, and during the day I also check the official information what's happened, and I see the map of rockets. Then I check it was over 120 rockets in the sky and over 90 drones. It's like that's really a lot, and it was the largest rocket attack and drone attack on Ukraine for the last 3 months. Later I will do the video about this place where I am right now, but now I would like to focus mostly on the news. And of course there is no safe place in Ukraine, in Kyiv region, so if we hear right now it doesn't matter, it's safer or so on. It's maybe even more loud because it's Kyiv region, a lot of rockets intercepted in Kyiv region after they go into Kyiv and so on. So it was just like the day for our family day on Sunday, intercept with Russian attack. And what we have up to this moment, I checked in news. So Kryvyi Rih, they hit the infrastructure object, and it's a huge destruction. Okay, Ivano-Frankivsk even like considered like a very safe region in Ukraine, because I remember this morning a lot of rockets came to Kyiv, and huge amount of them go directly to the west. So Ivano-Frankivsk region, critical infrastructure was attacked. Odessa, that is what I told before, and it was 4 arrivals at electricity stations, and because of this, people were without electricity, water, and heat. In Zaporizhia region, 3 strikes also hit critical infrastructure. In the Rivne region, hitting critical infrastructure, and electricity was missing. Vinnytsia region, it was on critical infrastructure facilities, no light, and later it was fixed. Okay, Volyn region, thankfully no victims, but also hitting the electricity and energy grid. Lviv region, also like safe place, let's say, hit the critical infrastructure and heat supply pipe. So And yeah, that is what I also say. In Mykolaiv, they injured and two women dead in Mykolaiv, and Kiev, two injured women. So what I can say, with this amount of rockets and drones that come into our country, the consequences is not so tragic as could be, you know. So not many dead, and the air defense system working perfectly, and everything great. And I saw a lot of videos and so on. And most important, Russia target on the energy grid, but their plans like wasn't succeed. So of course they did some renovation, but let's say we managed great today. And Zelensky also mentioned from F-16s we intercepted 10 missiles. So it's great, not? And that's like the most important, that we can continue living in our country and continue working and support our business with mm, with this air defense system. Because if not, I don't know what will be here in Kiev and other regions. So anyway, even with this crazy news and the winter is ahead, I'm glad that we have the chance to come somewhere, you know, and feel like there is no war. And sometimes, you know, with this night, with this morning, I was sleepy. I even didn't understand what's happened. And right now I'm doing a report about that and looking at this amazing nice view. And I even can believe that like it's everything happened. Like you can, you know, during the day you relax, you go to eat, you spend time in the nature, and at night is like some apocalypses. Oh, just check at this amazing sunset and this amazing view. So what I can say, I hope this night will be quiet, and we also have good winter ahead of us, and just hope that everything will be okay. And we always grateful for all the support and help for Ukraine, that you stand with Ukraine and have interest in what is happening in my country. And the world is not forget about us, and we will see what's happened. Of course, believing in the best and hope for the best. And unfortunately, what I checked from official information, that Russia collected more rockets for future attack, and of course we don't know when and how, and would we succeed to intercept a lot. But so it was my news updates. If there will be something more, I do in the video later. And good evening. I just checked the news, and almost at 7 p.m. Ukrenergo, Ukrainian electricity, wrote that tomorrow in all Ukraine will be again electricity shortages from 6 a.m. till 10 a.m. Till 10 p.m. As always, we divided by groups in Kiev in all regions, like first, second, third, fourth, and maybe fifth and sixth, I don't remember. And let's say it's 4 hours no electricity, then some break, then again 4 hours without the electricity. So yeah, tomorrow is the day, Monday. We started. So uh, schedule is not that bad as a total blackout or no schedule at all. Like in summer, we had no schedule, hours doesn't work, and we didn't know when we have electricity, when is not. So at least we have schedule. It's not total blackout. So I hope it wouldn't last for a long time. We will repair everything, and everything will be okay. So yeah, back to schedules, back to everything. I'm glad I have EcoFlow, so I even can use my like heater or IC, which I don't need now, but I can use my electric oven for cooking. I will charge my car. My car is total electric. As always, when I have the hours, I will plug it in during the night or so. And yeah, so randomly, at least I can wash my hair and cook with EcoFlow. So that's like plan for tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you so much for supporting. Thank you for all your matches, coffees, becoming patrons, sponsors of my channel. Thank you that you keep checking how is Ukraine, what is happening in my country. And yeah, thank you very much for your support, and see you very soon. And yeah, so we are fine, we are okay, and continue living our life. What's do else? Thank you and goodbye.